Hello lovers of Bookies Fashion, welcome to another episode of Everything Hair. So guys, I'm going to be posting the quickest tutorial on how to style and coil your hair with your Flexi word coilers to look like this. First, we are going to get rid of all the glue that we had on our hair. So I was out of my glue remover, so I decided to use rubbing alcohol and cotton. So basically the same process. You're going to put your rubbing alcohol on your cotton and then you're going to use it to clean your frontal. So when I'm done, I use my office pins to hold my frontal down because it's very good in preventing rip outs. So I'm going to slick that hair down using my hot comb and my hair wax, and I'm going to go with my center part. So when I'm done with that, I'm going to hold it in two pigtails. Then I'm going to mark the area where I'm going to do my braids, and I'm going to start braiding it down. First of all, I'm going to use my hot comb to make it smooth before I begin braiding it down. So here is the video of where I'm just braiding it down, putting it in place, and here's what it's looking like.
Yeah, babe, we'll
So
go
I'm
for
going to
sleep.
use this to crisscross around my pigtails like so. Then I'm going to fix my baby face, and here's what our style is looking like. So now let us get into the coiling process. So you want to mix your conditioner and water, which you're going to use to spray on your hair. So you're going to demarcate your hair, you're going to brush it out, then spray your mixture into it, guys. Then when you're done with this, you're going to section your hair and make sure you follow the direction of the coils. When you're on the right side, you coil to the left, and when you're on the left side, you coil to the right, exactly like this. So make sure you follow your coil directions if you want your coils to come out in the perfect way possible. So when you're done with that, you're going to basically repeat the process for your hair and the whole hair, and you're going to want to let this air dry for 3 to 4 days. 3 to 4 days, guys. So after 3 to 4 days, we are going to unravel our coils, and make sure you unravel your coils in the direction you are coiling. So if you are coiling to the left, you unravel to the left, and if you are coiling to the right, you unravel to the right. This is very, very important, guys, as this is going to determine how your coils is going to look like. So make sure you do that. So I'm going to speed this up so I don't waste a lot of your time. Like I said, this is the quickest tutorial ever, showing you every tiny bit. And when you're done with that, you're going to apply your hair spray to just give it that shine, and here is what it's looking like. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notification so you'll be updated when I post any content. Look at that coil direction, guys. Bye bye.